The government has decided to disband the current board of troubled IT major Satyam and nominate 10 new directors. Now the move is actually very surprising. We don't quite know what are the provisions under the company law board that they've invoked. I mean, it is an unprecedented move on the part of the government to completely disband the existing board. My sense is the government has taken this particular measure because they do know that the current interim CEO Mainampati was also close to Ramalinga Raju, and under huge public pressure, considering that the company is under too much trouble, it's cash strapped, and the fate of 53,000 employees hangs in the balance. I guess the government thought it's best that they probably first go ahead and disband the entire board and bring in new people to take charge of the operations and salvage the company in whatever way is possible. The Company Law Affairs Minister has said that the centre is now considering appointment of suitable people as directors of Satyam following interim permission by the Company Law Board. The new board will now meet in the next 7 days, and the current board is left with only 3 members from the original 9. So I guess there's been a massive change, a reshuffle in the board of Satyam Computers. We've never seen the government really moving in to change the board of an existing company ever before. But considering that we do know that the existing board was also having close proximity to Ramalinga Raju, I guess the government thought it best to bring in new people to take charge of the affairs of the company, so that whatever is left in the company, whether it's the cash balance or the accounts or even the kind of business that they're doing with overseas clients, can be salvaged at this point in time. We'll have to get more details. There's no clarity on who the new board members are and who are the ones who will be replaced in the present scenario.